Start.
Hi friends, I am Dr. Rajat and with me I have Dr. Anshit. He's from City of Lakes, Udaipur. Hi Anshit, it was great having you for our implants training, and after the first module I would just like to ask you, how was the experience of working here? You have done your life surgeries, you are done with your first module. How is it working here and performing live surgeries?
Hello, sir. It was a great experience and great fun over here. I have learned a lot. I have very little knowledge about the surgical part, but a great exposure has been given on the surgical part and the cases discussed by you about the all full mouth implant rehabs. So overall it was a great experience, and I'll be looking forward to the second module.
Perfect. Being a prosthodontist yourself, you always wanted to know about the surgical pattern that I've communicated with you. Prosthetic part and the surgical part. Prosthetic makes a lot of difference. What made you to join an implant course and learn and then execute in your own practice?
Sir, actually, the surgical part was the difficult part, the tough part for me, because I have never got the experience of dealing with the surgical part. Prosthetic part, as far as it is concerned, I have already done one or two cases, so I have a pretty much experience about that. More of the surgical experience, more of the surgical exposure I wanted, so that's why I've joined in yours implant courses.
Perfect. We have done the full mouth implant case, the prosthetic phase of that, open tray copings. We have discussed upon socket sheet techniques and different systems like Nobel Biocare, Straumann, Ostium. Working on different systems does, now, do you have a little bit idea about the surgical pattern?
Almost I've got the basic idea about all these systems. So yeah, almost everything about the basic part.
So how is it having you performing surgery at our institute? Kaisa laga? How is it?
It was really great. I have never expected that I'll be doing implant on my first visit only. I was thinking of more of the theoretical part it would be.
Yes, we've done a lot many cases. I have discussed around 15 cases with him, all my full mouth implant cases, and it was great having him at our institute. I hope, Anshit, these 3 days were very fruitful to you and will definitely add on to your practice, and the journey for implantology is just begin. So keep on practicing, executing. I hope it's going to work.
Thank you.
So thanks. Take care.